Nothing can replace the peace and happiness that Ma Durga brings to our homes each year. Here, celebrating the victory of Ma Durga over Mahisasur, the demon who spread hatred, let us celebrate the triumph of the good over the evil. A very happy Navratri to all of you and your family. If you are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Akash Srivastav. I love making videos of paintings and crafts. Today I am making painting of sketch of Ma Durga. First step is draw the eyes. Go slowly and draw the eyes. Take time while making the eyes. When the eyes becomes good, the whole portrait becomes good. Next step is to draw the nose and the lips. If you are making from a reference, like you are making from this video, see the distance between the eyes and nose. I have kept the distance between nose and the lips and try to make the lips like if it is smiling. Go slowly. If there is mistake, erase it and remake it. Now I am drawing the face, the outline, and then I'll draw the mukut. I love making paintings of Durga Mata. From several years I have been drawing it, and also since I live in West Bengal, and if I don't make Durga Mata painting, how will it be? Isn't it? Durga Puja is celebrated with great enthusiasm in West Bengal. Mandaps are made. In fact, in every street you will see one mandap. In all over India, you see Navratri Vrat, especially in North India. In West Bengal, the artists make mandaps with various themes. People over here buy new dresses, new clothes, or something new. If you are still seeing this video till now, do comment and tell what did you buy this Navratri. The outline sketch is almost complete, making the last parts of Mukut. Then I will outline with marker, the sketch pens, and also sketch it. If you have made any art, Durga Puja art, send to my email ID or Instagram ID. I will post on my YouTube channel. Now the final step, let's start. It is let's outline and sketch the drawing.